Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious finger baklava using a super easy method. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of delicate phyllo dough, 2 cups of your favorite finely chopped nuts, and 1 cup of rich, melted unsalted butter. Don't forget the simple syrup, made with 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, which we'll prepare ahead of time. This recipe is surprisingly simple and yields fantastic results. Now, let's prepare our delicious filling and get the phyllo ready. First, combine your 2 cups of finely chopped nuts with 1 tablespoon of fragrant ground cinnamon. This adds a wonderful warmth. When working with phyllo dough, remember to unroll it carefully and keep it covered with a damp cloth to prevent it from drying out. For each roll, you'll want to brush 2 to 3 individual phyllo sheets generously with melted butter, layering them one on top of the other. This creates that perfect flaky texture. Next, it's time for the fun part, rolling and cutting. Take your layered, buttered phyllo sheets and spread a thin, even line of your spiced nut mixture along one of the long edges. Now, carefully and tightly roll the phyllo into a neat log shape. Once rolled, place these logs seam-side down onto a baking sheet. Before baking, use a sharp knife to cut each log into individual pieces, about 1.5 inches long. This makes them easy to serve and enjoy. Finally, let's bake and sweeten our baklava. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the baklava for approximately 30 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. As soon as it comes out of the oven, immediately pour your cooled simple syrup evenly over the hot baklava. This temperature contrast is key for absorption. Allow the baklava to sit and soak up all that delicious syrup for at least 4 hours, or even overnight before serving. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.